What is the average cost of real estate in Colombia? What are the prices of real estate in Colombia, and how are we compared to another countries? Hi, I'm Mauricio Jaimes here again. I'm talking to you as a first-time investor in Colombia. You want to know about prices, how they are compared with other countries, and why Colombia could be a good investment. So the first thing I'm going to talk about what is the price ranges of a real estate investment, and then I'm going to discuss a little more how are we compared to other countries. Well, this is something that normally when you are going to make your first investment, you have to deal with. Well, prices of real estate you can find from the lowest, that is the social housing, that is around in dollars. An amount of dollars now is $35,000 to 1 million or above. I mean, you can find also properties for more than $2-3 million. But for the thing of an investment, the normal price range or the most active market is in the middle range. Is around 150 to 200,000 dollars would be a normal price expected for a good apartment in a good location in a main city. I was checking information about last year, and I saw that, for example, Bogota in 2022 was remained as the lowest, one of the lowest average cost of an apartment in whole Latin America. The cheapest one is in Quito, Ecuador, and then followed by Colombia. And the highest price that you can pay in an apartment in a capital in Latin America is in Chile. In Chile, almost always like 3-4 times what you can expect in Bogota. This is the normal average cost. Investor usually when they're gonna or they are looking to buy normally an apartment in cities like Medellin or Bogota that are the most active markets. You can find good deals in the range of, as I mentioned, the $200,000, $150,000. Now the economy. I want to talk about what is going on in this 2023. It's not. I mean, this is not a secret that economy is slowing down. Also, the market in real estate is slowing down. The sales, the average sales that we can have information from statistical sources are decreasing. So it's something that is due to, well, the high interest rates, and also because inflation last year ended up as one of the highest in the last 5 years. So that's something that it has make a relentless or slowing down the dynamic of the real estate market. But what I see is that it's not affecting the prices. Yeah, that is something that maybe is a concern for a real estate investor. Yeah, if prices are gonna go down, if they're gonna, if I bought 2 years ago, if my investment is gonna be lower than I did, and for sure, I can tell you that the market in Colombia, as long as it's cycled in terms of offer and demand, prices still remain at least steady. They don't have dramatic changes. I was saying that at least latest report of the Global Property Guide saying that in fact in Latin America, Colombia was one of the countries that the rate of appreciation was going down, no, but not the prices, as I mentioned, no. So that's one of the things that you have to bear in mind. Also, as I mentioned in other videos, Colombia is not a single market, so you have to bear in mind that as long as you focus on a place in a specific niche on a specific market, you can find deals that are profitable. Yeah, for example, the housing, the the subsidized housing is the one that is driving the economy in the last the construction industry in the latest 5 years. And at this range, you can find properties that are the price is one of the lowest of the market, is around $35,000, and most investors, at least local investors, are investing in this type of property because the rent is higher than in another type of property. So that's something that you can also see in now in this market. So is a trend that is is moving all the construction. In our case, we are developing a housing project, subsidized housing project, and what we're doing is projecting the prices 2 years, 20, 24 months. So you can also expect, we are seeing that the interest rates are being controlled. Like the idea is that the inflation of the next year is going to be is going to be lower. So we try to send the prices around 2 months to 12 to 20, 24 months, and then to make a dynamic in the sales. And this is an opportunity for investors. That's in the case of pre-construction properties. So that's the type of thing that you have to bear in mind if you want to invest for the first time in Colombia. Again, it's just a matter of having the information of the local area that you're gonna planning to invest, or where you want to make your investment. It requires research. Yeah, as I mentioned, there are some places that in one block could be a good property, and the other one, another type of a better property with better quality. So it's not the same to buy in a same area where the prices maybe going to have a better appreciation, and your rent is going to be higher depending of the quality and the characteristics of this type of investment. That's what I wanted to say about prices. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk about options, financing options, the ones that you have available as a foreign investor. So we're going to discuss what are your options, because saying how can you finance your investment here in Colombia. So hope to see you tomorrow at the same time, 11 a.m. and I hope you see you there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate in send it. Write your comments or your ideas, and I'll be glad to answer them. So I see you there. Bye.